Alright, I'm done. Back with another video. It's been a while. This is my first time talking in one. I'm gonna go on a ride here pretty quick, do some more point of view. But real quick before we get into that, I wanted to just kind of give a quick little rundown of my car, what I got done to it. It's pretty basic, but one thing that's different since any of the last videos is it's got wheels on it now. Put some Enki T6S's on there. They're 17 by 8s, 45 offset, with a 235 wide on there for the tire. Nothing too aggressive, but it looks good. Yeah, exhaust. So I had a couple people ask me about what my exhaust setup is, and I answered that in the comments, but it's an NVIDIA catless up pipe, NVIDIA catted down pipe, which that's gonna go away eventually here. I'm gonna end up going fully catless pretty soon. And then I have a Monzo center pipe and Y pipe, and then my axle back is Nameless Performance muffler deletes, so that's why it's really loud. Also, I apologize how dirty it is right now. It's been a while since I cleaned it. It's been raining a lot and I've been busy, so I haven't gotten around to it. But yeah, so nothing crazy on the exterior. I eventually want to get some tint and do some sort of minor like aero stuff to it, but we'll see. Oh, yeah, I gotta unlock it. I'll show what's under the hood here quick, go over that. Interior is nothing crazy. I did switch to a Mishimoto weighted shift knob. That's new, I think, so. Alright, so not anything too crazy. Just got a Grimspeed intake, stock turbo back there, the VF40, go fast bits, response, blow off valve. It's a hybrid one, so I can switch it between fully open, fully venting, or recirculating. I have it set on fully venting right now, just for the noise really, but yeah, I mean really, oh yeah, sorry, Grimspeed boost controller, and an AVO turbo inlet. It's really all that's done to it right now. I am building a motor for it right now and have a lot more plans for it, and I'll go show that in a minute here. But yeah, as of right now, it's pretty much just like almost full bolt-ons and a tune from Jam Automotive in Minnesota here. So yeah, that's about it, pretty basic. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. It is lowered on some Raceland coilovers, which I wasn't expecting too much from, but they're actually not bad. They don't ride terribly, they don't make a ton of noise. They're not the best, but I haven't had any issues with them, so yeah, forgot about that. Alright, so like I said, I am building a motor for my Legacy right now, slowly but surely. As you can see, I was just doing the rod bearing clearances the other day. So yeah, I got my stock crank. I'll give a little rundown on kind of what the build is going to be. Again, it's pretty basic, but it'll be pretty stout, especially for what power I'll be making on the stock 5-speed. But so yeah, I got it all wrapped up right now, but it's just stock case halves, stock sleeves, bored over to 99.75, whereas stock would be 99.5 millimeters. Got stock STI crankshaft, which they come nitride treated, so they're quite a bit stronger. I got some Manley, they're just regular H-beam connecting rods. I won't even fully open them up, but yeah, nothing too crazy, just their H-beams with the 2000 hardware. JE pistons, so yeah, pistons right here, pretty nice pistons. These will be good for way more than I need. ARP head studs, kind of dark. the air head studs, get it down to cylinder 4 cooling mod. Just trying to eliminate some of the common failure points of the EJs, which cylinder 4 has always got cooling issues. So then for my main and rod bearings, I have King Racing, their pMaxKote coated bearings. They seem to be pretty nice. I think I got everything there. I can put the full build list down in the description if you guys care. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting it done. The motor in the Legacy is fine for now, but I want to be able to make more power, so I just figured I would get a built motor in there. So yeah. All right, head on drive here, get the start up. Alright guys, here we go. I won't be talking much. I try to let you just hear the sounds, like me scraping on the way out of the driveway. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a little drive here. closed out too. Right on the border of Minnesota and Wisconsin, St. Croix River, Stillwater Bridge. It's a nice spot. You guys enjoyed the video. Tried to get some good footage. Hopefully the wind noise wasn't too bad. And I was stuck behind cars a lot of the ways. You might notice. I'll probably edit a lot of this down, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more and what you want to see more of, I suppose, too. If you like these point of view videos or whatever else. I might start to post some videos of me working on stuff. I don't know. So yeah, thanks again, guys.